Only attack I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on. Yeah, the thing, physical viewers and subscribers, the channel active. Jaden Chase I bring the latest in entertainment and dancehall reviews. Remember, man, I'm reminding you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like and a comment on the vlog intro. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently me I listen back the Vybz Kartel and the Chronic Law. Them can't kill way. Viewers and subscribers, I don't know if you don't realize, but Vybz Kartel definitely point out, so when it comes to articulation, putting thought into speech, Vybz Kartel is still the best dancehall artist that we have ever heard and wax. Yeah man, him definitely point that out. Himself say, my style confuse them is like Chinese writing, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, Vybz Kartel himself said that. But we're going to talk about a particular line where him say, Shishi mama son. And from there on, people were confused with the way Vybz Kartel I said. We're going to explain it, but first and foremost, we're going to play the line so they can remember what we are talking about.
People are got dead if them want stop the life we live in. She mama sang, Chinese girl want give me kitty. Say she name the puppy, girl you lucky, me ya dig it. Them can't kill way.
Viewers and subscribers, we have never heard storytelling and dancehall music the way Vybz Kartel do it. Never. Now, viewers and subscribers, sheshe in Japanese means thank you. Sheshe ma means thank you, miss. Now, mama-san is usually a woman of authority, and this is Japanese now. And as I say, mama-san usually means a woman in a position of authority, especially one in charge of a geisha house or a bar or a nightclub in Japan or somewhere in East Asia. The term is also used to refer to a woman who works in a supervision role in certain established Southeast Asia, typically related to drinking places such as a bar, same way, or a nightclub. Now, a geisha is a Japanese woman who entertains through performing ancient traditional dance and art and singing. So basically, dance in a traditional way, in a dance in ancient times then. And is distinctively characterized by wearing the kimono and the oshiryo makeup. But contrary to popular belief, a geisha is not the equivalent to a prostitute, as in, Western Europe. And what did happen is, there was a misconception we go on due to the fact that, Japanese courtesans wear a similar attire, like what the geishas wear. So people always feel like a geisha is a prostitute. Now, think back to the line, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel say, yo, Shishi mama son, Chinese girl want give me kitten. Say she name the dog, girl you lucky, me I dig it. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel is speaking to a mama son, a lady of authority, and he's telling her, say, Chinese girl want give me kitten. Yeah, meaning say, she want give me a beater for the something. And the Japanese lady point out the fact, say, yo, Chinese girl eat dog. Say she eat the puppy. And he must say, yo, girl, you lucky, me no care. I still a dig it, viewers and subscribers. That's the explanation of the line. And if we never really in another sense, the fact that Vybz Kartel is such a vivid storyteller, people still somewhat get the idiom of the line without even really understanding the words that Vybz Kartel use to really express himself. Definitely a storyteller in a dancehall music, and the most prolific that I have ever heard, viewers and subscribers. I don't know. Tell me if you really understand the meaning of the line. Because Vybz Kartel definitely give you a whole heap of different turns with the verses. Him say I could telescope, pick them up. Them go find him, swell up like a cobra bite him. Him say the flame, I like stony got up rising. Teacher talk some things and I track them. I feel say, yo. That is why at first, when I hear the line, yeah, I already know what the Chinese word mean. Then I hear the Japanese word. Some never know about that too. Follow it up. Because I get the idiom of the song. I get the idea, understand the line itself. But when I talk to some people, I ask them about the line in particular, I realize, yo, most people don't really understand the wording. They don't really know. Yeah, viewers and subscribers, I must say Vybz Kartel do it time and time again, but it always still amazes me the way him do it. You know what I mean? Every time I hear a track, I say, wait, alright? I listen it now, I get the vibe. It's a vibe. But I have to listen it different again if I want to really catch the full understanding of what the teacher try to convey it. Or if I want to see the little different ways where him use to express himself. The teacher different. This is the thing where I can stand out in the music. Anybody can find a flow, a catchy flow, and people can say, alright, the flow the bouncy. And them can get a vibe to it. One of the reasons make Vybz Kartel song them stand out so much as a hit song are because differently from the vibe, say, yo, it have a nice flow and the rhythm tough. The song have meaning. The words them have substance. You can listen it now and catch the vibe as I'm saying it's a hot song and a trend. And then you know why you add it to your playlist? And because you listen it again weeks after it stopped trend. And you hear the words and them start to stand out in your mind and you say, yo, Jano, a real thing the teacher talking, and then you add the song to your playlist, and then it become one of your favorite songs then because you start to hear the words of the song now. Song them have substance. Wherever I hear them ask for this in music, I say people put out songs with substance. What I find as of late is that if I one artist we can always point to the song them always have substance, especially in a dancehall music. A Vybz Kartel, as simple as the song might sound to you at first listen. If you listen it again, me I tell you it have whole heap of other subtopics with the teacher touch to convey the same point where you get. But if you listen it, it's like him I tell a whole different story. It get even more vivid to you now. You can live vicariously through the artist after you understand it even that much better. It's like you start to see it. One of the reasons why when teacher drop a music video, you see a music video drop for a Vybz Kartel song, people love it. Because the facts of Vybz Kartel is such a vivid storyteller, people just are wait to see the visuals. Because them already have vision in their mind while them are listen to the song, viewers and subscribers. That's not easy to do. That is not a simple task. Never you feel like that is simple to do. As you see, people can't readily repeat it. Some artists will try, because part of the artists them are vivid storytellers themselves. And you always have to be a lyricist to be a vivid storyteller. You have people who are, you know, them have the voice for music. Means them will sing some of the best songs you ever listen to. You know what I mean? Or them will give some of the best flows and best melodies. But them are not really lyricists, nor are they songwriters. So them can't really tell that vivid story like our lyricist slash songwriter slash producer slash, you know what I mean, top dancehall artists can do it. So that's why Vybz Kartel definitely stand out in the mind of fans and, you know, just the wider audience at large. Because you have all the people who listen to Vybz Kartel song and the man a big fan of Vybz Kartel music. But them know the teacher track because the teacher track them just that powerful in a music. Whether it be a song for party too or a song for reflect. Teacher have something for you. Yeah man. Check the catalogue of the artist's work. Whether you have all the meds, you have all the vibes, you have a party and all the enjoyment. Teacher definitely have something for your viewers and subscribers. And them same song them I guarantee you. If you listen to the party song on a day when you're not a party, you will still find some gems in it where I say, you know, a real thing the dog thought this. And then a party, you know. So you see the even the song them will make for you enjoy and just all the vibes. Because the artist intellect depend on the level that him just still find a way of to put something historical, something mathematical, or something scientific in it at the same time. You don't know, even something about agriculture might in there. You never know. You never know. Are the teacher that viewers and subscribers. Drop in the comment section I know what you feel about the reasoning. If you didn't understand the line, Shishi mama son, China girl want give me kitten. Say she name the puppy girl, you lucky me, I dig it. Tell me if you didn't understand. I mean, definitely, me that say, research moment. You know what I mean? Yeah, if you know the wording. Because I'm going to say, a prominent words. So, you know what I mean? A words that people know. It's not in everybody vocabulary, but you know, people know it. People watch a certain set of movies, we know say share mean thank you in Chinese and mama san, you know what I mean, is a word in Japanese. You know what I mean? And then we just see the people and where them use it with so. But the fact our teacher use it to tell the story are definitely something stand out. Or I realize what I go on me and say, yo, I'm gonna tell the fans them, you know, ask them if them did see the play. You know what I mean? I just a teacher think that you know must see the play. But Jaden Chase they have to go into the lyrical analytics. You know what I go on. The light energy I want to go need to share this and make some people know say oh Jaden Chase are going to the lyrical analytics. You know what I mean? I reason about the thing different. And I showing a different side to the thing. Showing the meanings of the word that my teacher used for really convey the emotion or express the feeling. You know what I mean? When I try convey to fans. I don't know one thing with the teacher. I'm glad for see your teacher still put it out there knowing say uncle key few set of individuals that really see what I want. And him still do it. I just the thought process. When you brain a thought, when you brain a process information differently, you articulate yourself differently, express yourself differently. So even though not everybody can understand where I say you can't help yourself because your thought process just depends on a different wavelength from other people. I just so the thing of viewers and subscribers. Jaden Chase I bring the latest reasoning. Remember man, I know you stay notified do I go on, you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon. Yeah, clicking the subscribe icon alone now go do it. You have to click the bell icon to get the thing fully active. Yeah man. And then leave a like for me like where you hear about a share as well. Simple maths that too. So the like icon there. Yeah. And for you see it, share the right. Right, that's what too. And drop in the comment section we know what you feeling. If you did know, if you never know. If we are telling you, make you know to see me. Until the reason again, another thing, go live, love and prosper viewers. And I'm out.